welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video because I'm going to give you a little tour of our brand new beach house. We have been dreaming of having a short rental property for years, and we've always thought it would be super cool to have one at Santa Rosa Beach 30A, which is one of our favorite spots in the US. And we had the incredible opportunity to buy a property here, and I can't wait to show you inside. Here is our front porch where you can sit outside and read and hang out. Let's check out the inside of the house. So here is our beach house. Welcome, welcome inside. Let me show you around. Starting out, here is our living space. We ended up keeping all of the bigger furnitures that came with the house, including the couches and the TV stand and the coffee table, but we did replace the ceiling fan. We added these sitting chairs and added some decorations like lamps, wall art, fiddle leaf tree, and all the little decorative pillows. I love adding pops of yellow into our decor because I feel like it adds a little pops of happiness, and I love these little pops of yellow in our living room. And then if you come out this way, we have our kitchen. Everything is open floor concept, and I love that because we can hang out, cook, and then eat right over here, bring our food to the table. By the way, don't mind the windows. They're doing some constructions outside, right outside our house actually. But yeah, we really love this space. We've used it a ton just to eat our meals, hang out. I've painted on this table. We've worked on this table, just doing life on this table. So we love that. And then of course, our kitchen is just so functional. I love this island right over here where we can add additional seating. And we love these green light fixtures that we picked up online. And we don't have a pantry, but we have these two cabinets right over here that is very spacious for our short-term stays. And then we have our appliances, our refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, and then our dishwasher, which is on right now. So if you go around this way, we have our bathroom over there. We have our laundry room through these doors. And then through the back door, it's one of my favorite parts of the house, is our deck. There's birds chirping right now. So there's some seating out here, an outdoor communal space. We're on kind of an upper deck right now, which I love because I don't think any of the other houses have that. We have a grill under here so you can barbecue and eat outside. And my favorite part is this outdoor shower. And I love that it has hooks because obviously we're using it to dry our beach towels after the beach. And let me show you inside the outdoor shower. Very spacious. You can come in with, 2 people, 3 people, just wash up all the kids at the same time. And then through these doors is that bathroom that I showed you. Or you could come back this way and enter the house from here. So yeah, a ton of hanging out, hosting space here, as well as out there in the upper deck. So now that I've shown you our downstairs, let's go upstairs to look at some of the bedrooms. So the first thing you see coming upstairs is gonna be our landing with a rocking chair, a side table, a lamp, and then some artwork. And then when you turn in this way, you have the master bed and the guest bed. Let me show you. Here is the master bedroom with a king bed, nightstands, and on this side is a TV and dresser. We have the bathroom right here with 2 sinks and a shower with a waterfall shower head. And then my favorite part is this side right over here, where we have an outdoor deck with plenty of seating. I usually read or journal or do my quiet time and just hang out here in the mornings. And then here is the guest bedroom, which is so fun. I love this wicker headboard. I feel like it's so beachy and just not something that you see every day, but so much fun. Everett is currently sleeping in this room, which is why we have the hatch light and the monitor here, but normally a couple or an adult guest would stay in this room and enjoy the TV with the matching wicker dresser. And right out of the guest bedroom is the guest bathroom. It's very spacious with a full shower and bath, an Italian toilet, and then 2 sinks. And then inside the bathroom is this very spacious storage room, which we love. It's empty right now, but we normally keep our laundry basket here and some fresh towels. And then last but not least, we have our 3rd floor where we have our bonus room. And this place is the only spot in the house that is carpeted, which I love because typically we'll host kids here and we want them to be safe. So right over here is our day bed. You can actually pull that out and there's another mattress in there. And then of course we have our bunk bed. I love that the bottom one is bigger than the top one. So that if there's a bigger kid or there's 2 kids, they can sleep in the bottom one. And then right on this side, we have I believe this is a queen bed. So lots and lots of beds here. A rocking chair, and then of course, a TV and a dresser with lots of storage. So Everett loves this room so much. We have tons of room for just running around, putting all the toys on the floor, and just hanging out. Where are we gonna go?
Beach.
Are we gonna go to the beach?
Yeah.
Go, buddy, go!
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.